Okay, now let's talk about the converse of Hinge theorem. The included angle and the opposite side. The included angle 60 degrees and its opposite side 12 cm. Now this time, the changes is in the opposite side. So let's say the opposite side, the changes is decreasing. So 9 cm, 6 cm, and 3 cm. So from the converse of Hinge theorem, if the opposite side is decreasing, the included angle is also decreasing. So otherwise, if the opposite side is increasing, the included angle is also increasing. So let's say for example 60. If 12 cm becomes half, which is 6, the included angle 60 becomes half as well, which is 30. So this will be 30 since 6 is half of 12. Now if 12 is doubled, so it becomes 24. So 12 doubled 24. So if it is doubled or twice, the included angle will become twice as well, which is 120 degrees. So how about the angles in between? Okay, how are we going to get the angle? So we need to get the fraction. Shall we get the fraction of our smallest angle? So let's say the smallest angle is 15. Okay, so how are we going to get that one? Wait. So 6 cm, if we get the half of 6 cm, that is 3 cm as well. So meaning to say, if we get the half of 30, that would be 15 half, because 6 is a half of 3, so this is half. So 6 is a half of 3, so it implies 30. You get the half of 30, so that is 15. Now how are you going to get 9? So we know that 6 cm plus 3 cm is equals to 9 cm. So if we add the angles, we need to add the angles of 6 cm, that will be 30 plus 15. For 3 cm, that's 15. You have 45 degrees. So 9 cm is 45 degrees. Okay. Now let's talk about 15. So for 15 degrees, that is made of 12 and 3, or 6 plus 9. So we have 12. So let's say we choose 12. 12 cm plus 3 cm equals 15 cm. 12 cm is 60. 3 cm is 15. So if we add the two angles, that is 75. So as you can see, if we're going back, as we get the addends of 9 cm, it implies that the included angle is also added. So if we add the sides, the included angles were also added. So you have here 30 and 15, which is the opposite sides of the included angles of 6 cm and 3 cm. And 60 and 15 are the included angles of 12 cm and 3 cm. So you have here 75 degrees. Now, we want to get 18. So to make 18, you have 12 and 6. So 12 cm plus 6 cm is 18. So the included angles are 12 cm is 60, or opposite angles. So you have 60 and 6 cm is 30. You have here 90 degrees. 90. Now, you have here 21. So for 21, you have 12 and 9. 12 cm plus 9 cm. Yeah. 12 cm plus 9 cm will give you 21 cm. So 12 plus 9. So you have here 12 and 9. So 60. The included angle is 60 plus the 9 cm is 45. So you have here 105. Okay, you have here 105. 60 plus 45 is 105 degrees. Okay, so 60 plus 45 is 105 degrees. So that's how we get the included angle of our opposite sides.